Alright guys, this is what we call real snow. It's not those little snow that everybody survive easily. This is real snow. It's so blizzard. Some states, they have snow, they have it once and they say it's serious, it's real snow, it's too much. Just a little snow and they shut down everything. But check this out. This is a one-time snow, that more like a week snow that was snowing at some states where they never have snow. They have a little drop and they say, hey, shut down everything, school shut off, works, some possibility of closing hospitals and stuff like that. This is real snow. Oh, that guy. Guys, welcome to Erie, Pennsylvania. It snows very seriously. Check the driveway. It's never been cleaned. You just have to have a very good sized vehicle to drive here. With a smaller vehicle, sedan, or any smaller types, you will not get out of this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh yeah. Guys, let's tour the city of Erie in snow here. Let's tour this place together. It's crazy, isn't it? Look, this guy already dig his vehicle out, but he didn't pull it out though. Serious snow is here. Oh, my guy here is cleaning. He's plowing the snow. Whoa. See that? Dude. Look at the guy in front there. Some other guys, they clean your snow, you pay them. See? That guy is getting it really good. He has the snow blower machine. While the lady here, she's snoring, she's shoveling her snow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So guys, when driving in snow, to stay safe, always avoid the smaller road and use the main road, the busy roads, because they are the first one that they have first priority to be cleaned. So if you use the neighborhoods roads, no one cleans them on time. They first focus on the street that is the busiest one, where many vehicles drive through. So that's how it is. As you can see, all vehicles are still packed with the snow. There is really nothing you can do but just make the right choices in this season. Driving in the weather like this, you really need to make the right choices too. Yeah guys, that was just a piece of advice, especially for those who are new drivers in snow. Those who are new driver in this season, be advised that you should take caution first. It helps a lot. Alright guys, that's it, a piece of this snow. I hope you will enjoy it, and let me know in the comment below what you feel about the driving in snow in this side of the country, and compared to driving somewhere in a desert where the weather is fully dry. See? Look at that guy ahead of us there. He's stuck in the way, and then he was shoveling his wheels. See? Hopefully he's gonna let me pass, because he looks like he occupies the whole road. He's good. He's good. Wow. This vehicle is gone. Man, guys, if you are from Erie or ever been in Erie, Pennsylvania, do you recognize this place? Can you find yourself where I am right now, my location? Oh, look at that vehicle right there. Oh yeah. Look at the trees. They look even more beautiful in the snow. More beautiful than usual. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, that's it, I guess. I hope that's it, and let me know in the comment below if it's your first time seeing snow, or if you think the video is enjoyable or was worth to post or not worth to post. Let me know. Thanks guys, and I appreciate it. Bye.